Hey everyone, this is Mike the Old and Average Gamer, and I'm going to show you today how to transition from one clip to the next whilst editing a video. So I have pre-populated my playlist with some still pictures, but I've put a time limit or a time frame of 4 seconds on each one of them. So what I'm going to do is drag a couple down here, and you can do this with video clips as well, obviously. But I've just done it with pictures to make it easier to see. So we have two pictures here side by side, and this is what it looks like if you do no transition. You see it just snaps straight to the next picture. But to make it a little bit cooler, what you do is you left click on the one you want to transition into and just drag it across and overlap them like this. I'll do it about for 2 seconds-ish. Now we've created this transitional piece in the middle. So now it will look like this. And that's called dissolve, or dissolving. Okay, so one dissolves into the next. One fades out, one fades in. So that's a great way to start. So there we go, just to show you. One fades out, one fades in. So we're going to add another one to it now. And I'm going to just extend it a little bit and show you that you can, let's extend that one too. And show you that you can adjust the length of the actual transition. So we've got a transition there. And now it's nice and long. So it'll take a lot longer to transition into the next clip, like so. But now what we can do is we can actually do a short one too. So we've got our next clip there. We can just do a really short one. So if you watch like this, you see pop into the next one. Right, so that's how you transition, and that's how you do different lengths of transition, depending on what you would like to do. You can have different lengths, but now I'm going to show you how to change the actual style of the transition. So we've got dissolving on all three of them. So on this second one now, what we're going to do, we're going to come up to this part here, but not on the playlist. We're going to change it to properties. Now we have this. So we change it to properties from down here on this tab piece down the bottom, or up here. Okay, so we're on playlist, so we can change it to tab there. So as you can see, it's on dissolve. Now we can change it to, let's change it to barn door, southwest, northeast. Okay, so that's that one. Nice. It's going to be a nice long transition from southwest to northeast. Now this one, we're going to do it nice and short, and we're going to have this one bar vertical. So this is what it will look like now. So we have the dissolve there. We'll skip that one a second. Go straight to this one. So there we go. That's the one from corner to corner. And then we get this one, which is straight down quickly. Okay, so that's two different types, two different speeds. So what I'm going to do now is just pop another one in. I'm going to extend this one. I just want to show you this one because I like this one. This is my favorite one. If any of you guys are fans of Star Wars, I need to extend that way first, don't I? Silly Billy. Any of you are fans of Star Wars, you will no doubt would have seen this one on the very first 3 Star Wars. Right, so I'm going to make it nice and long so we can see it a bit. So we can see it nice and clear. Go into properties, make sure I've got it highlighted. Go into properties and go to clock top. So this one's going to do the one in Star Wars in the first episodes from the 80s. So here we go. This one's my favorite. There we go. It goes quite slowly like so. It does actually look better when you go faster. So I'm going to show you it's going faster too. So I'm just going to bring that one down a little touch like that. Put the next clip on there. And do that for 2 seconds. Then we're going to change that one to clock top. So now that's exactly this. Here we go. I'll do it again so you can see. Here's the long clock top. That's what it actually does. And here we go. Here's the quicker version of it, which is pretty cool, like they do in Star Wars. So that's how you do transitions. So guys, we've come to the end of the video. Thanks very much for watching. And if you would like to see more of my content, then subscribe to the channel. If you like what you see, please hit the like button. Both of these help me out immensely, and I can upload more videos to help you guys out, and hit the notification bell to get them as soon as they're uploaded. So that just leaves me to say thank you very much and have a good day.